Format reports learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to describe format reports, tabular, summary, and matrix, create a matrix report, use report formats. There are 3 report formats available: tabular, summary, and matrix. Tabular is the default format. You can see the comparison here. Tabular is for making a list at the primary use case. Everything is supported by the report charts, and now we have the summary report. Its primary use case is to group and summarize, and the matrix report format to group, summarize by row and column. So these are the differences, and then there's some limits, but anyway, let's walk through building a sample report for each format. Tabular reports. Tabular reports are the simplest and fastest way to look at your data. Similar to a spreadsheet, they consist simply of an ordered set of fields and columns, with each matching record listed in a row. They are often best used for tasks like generating a mailing list. When Lincoln asked Maria for a report of all open opportunities, Maria knew that a tabular report would fit the bill. Let's help Maria build a tabular report. Note, depending on which org you're using to practice these steps, you may or may not see data in your report at runtime. On reports, click New Report, choose the Opportunities report type, and then click Continue. So let's do this. New Report, Opportunities report. Not sure what's going on here. Alright. Click Filters and apply the following filters. Show me all opportunities. That's correct. For the opportunity status standard filter, select Open and click Apply. For the date range standard filter, select create date and current financial year for the range and apply. Note, for the fastest result, always set the smallest date range you can. If your report has to sift through a great many dates, it takes a lot longer to show the information you have asked for. Number 3, the third step. The following columns should already be included in your report: opportunity name, type, resort, and so on. Let's have a look. Okay, opportunity name, type, lead source, amount, close date, next step, owner role, account name. Yeah, it's all there. So click Save, name your report, open opportunities for this year. And the description, and save the report. I didn't enter the description, but it's pretty self-explanatory, and then run. The report should look something like that, but you see in the preview it's pointless to run it because there's no data. Now the summary report Summary reports are similar to tabular reports, but also allow you to group rows of data, view subtotals, and create charts. Summary reports give us many more options for organizing the data and are great for use in dashboards. Yes, summary reports are the workhorses of reporting. Most people find that most of their reports tend to be of this format. Roberto Alvarez, CEO of Ursa Major Solar, wants to review all open customer support cases grouped by priority. Maria can help Roberto by building a summary report. Note, depending on which org you're using to practice these steps, you may or may not see data in your report at runtime, which is an issue for us because we don't seem to have any data. But let's create this report anyway. New report and choose cases as report type. Filters, all cases, open date, all time. That's already there. From the add filter pick list, apply a field filter for cases where open equals true. Search for and select open. From the drop-down list, select true and click apply. That's what we already did. Verify that these columns appear in your report: case owner, subject, date, time, and so on. If necessary, add them. Let's have a look. Yeah, it all looks good. To make this report a summary, you need to group rows. The group rows, first click outline. From the group rows, from add group, priority, okay. To see just the total for each priority level, turn off detail rows at the bottom of the preview page. Set the report as open cases for all time and accept the auto-generated unique name. Enter description, choose the public reports folder and click save. I don't think we need the description. Again, pretty self-explanatory. And the update preview, it's already live, so we don't really need to run it at all. And here it kind of looks the same, except we only have 3 cases. Note, click details row to toggle between showing and hiding columns in your summary report. So you just need an overview of the counts. You can hide the detail rows, and otherwise you show them if you want to see each specific case. Matrix reports. Matrix reports allow you to group records both by row and by column. These reports are the most time consuming to set up, but they also provide the most detailed view of your data. So why would you want to use a matrix report? If you're looking for an at-a-glance overview of data, especially for something like totals of revenue or quantity of products sold, then the matrix report format is for you. Let's build a matrix report. Sita, the CEO, is planning for the coming year and wants to know revenue trends month over month. Let's start by helping Maria create the basic report. In this step, we will create a matrix report showing sales by type for each month. On the Reports tab, click New Report, choose the Opportunities report type, and click Continue. So let's do that. Click Filters, then apply these standard filters. All opportunities, show me opportunity status, closed. And for close date, current financial year. Note for the fast results, always set the smallest date range you can. If your report has to sift through a great many dates, it takes a lot longer to show the information you have asked for. I've already seen that before, so let's continue. To summarize the report by sum of amount, click the More Actions drop-down arrow on the Amount column. Then click Summarize and select Sum. So let's do this. Let's go to Amount, Summarize, Sum. But we can't see it here because there's nothing to show. To change the report format to matrix, first group rows by close months and columns by type. And start grouping. To start grouping, click Outline. Under group rows from the Add Group Pick list, select Close Months. On the group columns from the Add Group Pick list, select Types. You may want to hide the report details when viewing a matrix report. Matrix reports are usually easiest to consume with details hidden. To hide the report details, turn off detail rows. Save your report as opportunities by sum of amount. And accept the auto-generated unique name. So I'm not entirely sure what we did here actually. Summarize and sum, that's clear, but then the matrix stuff is not all that clear to me, but anyway, it's somehow showed here. And either way, let's just save this. We don't have any data, so nothing is really displayed there. And now we get to the hands-on challenge. Create a report to show cases. Roberto Alvarez, Ursa Sola COO, has asked for a report of company's customer service cases. He wants the report formatted so he can see at a glance which cases are new, working, escalated, and closed. Create a summary report of cases to show Roberto. Report type cases. Okay, let's do this. New report. Cases. Report name, case status. Range all time. Case owner, subject, and account name. And group by status. Looks good, and we actually have some data here. Save the report to any folder. So there we have an overview, new and closed cases, and we check the challenge to earn 500 points. And we got those, and let's check out the next unit.